I'll be showing you the top address validator apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we take a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. First up, we have Address Validator by Address Hero. It's going to allow you to have no more missed deliveries and delayed shipment. As with Address Hero, it's going to validate every address using Google Maps, and it's going to automatically suggest addresses to the customer, reducing typical address errors like a missing house number. So it's going to do so automatically, helping to prevent missed deliveries and lost shipments, and having frustrated customers with long delivery times. So it's super easy to use, and it's optimized for desktop, tablet, and mobile, and it has no impact on speed. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and it's 79 cents per customer address. There's also a light plan as well that's completely free that allows you to block addresses without a house number, but it doesn't look like you get the address validation or automatic address suggestions. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars, 58 5-star reviews. Next up, we have Clearer.io Address Validator that allows you to reduce failed deliveries, as well as giving you powerful rules for address validation to prevent undeliverable addresses based on rules that fit your specific shipping policies, whether that's PO boxes, private mailboxes, parcel lockers, extra long addresses, or including emojis in there. It gives you fully customizable address prompts, and you can do it during checkout if you're on Shopify Plus, as well as after checkout as well. And doing this here lets them confirm or update their shipping address based on what they entered. They also have international address validation for all these countries here. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and the first 100 orders are free. After that, it's going to be 5 cents per order. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with over 200 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here for the reviews, merchants recommend this address validator for its ability to standardize and correct addresses, reducing shipping errors, and enhancing checkout experiences. The third app we have here is Smart Address Validator. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with a ton of different analytics and metrics that's going to let you make smarter business decisions, as you can have a true understanding of your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad platforms such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It also has plenty of cost of goods sold integrations such as AliExpress, Printify, Printful, ShipHero, and CJ Dropshipping. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store. Just look for this logo in the top left here. It lets you validate checkout fields, block PO boxes or military addresses, and restrict certain customers. You can even restrict by zip code, city, or state. And it gives you real-time address validation to prevent delivery errors and reduces failed deliveries and costly returns. In terms of pricing, it's $4.99 a month, and you can validate checkout fields, block PO boxes, as well as translate the error message. So they just have the one plan here. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 6 5-star reviews. Lastly, we have VL Checkout Address Validator that lets you reduce failed delivery with auto address validation, custom checkout rules, and advanced shipping rules. You can add these custom rules to minimize invalid shipping addresses, again doing PO boxes, private, businesses, residential, specific postal codes, extra long addresses, and more. The customer gets immediate feedback with custom error messages for a smoother customer checkout. It's also going to auto-detect and notify customers of inaccurate addresses, as well as suggest corrections. You can display notices in your store language with full customization. And you can also show custom notifications based on the conditions at checkout. In terms of pricing, it's free to start, and you get 3 validation rules as well as real-time alerts. For premium, it's free to install, but it's going to be 4 cents per new order validated by this app. And you get unlimited rules on both the checkout and thank you page. In terms of reviews, sitting at a really good 4 stars with 7 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, said it was recommended to them by a friend, and it's been great so far. The app's interface is nice and easy to manage, and it comes with excellent customer support. So this concludes the video here on the top address validator apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.